Hey guys, so one of the best ways you can make your VO3 or any other AI videos look much better is this way. So you want to, for example, go and search for the top 10 80s movies, and what you will do is you will see a movie and the whole camera, how it looks, how the grain, the noisiness looks, or some VHS type of footage. And for example, you will go to ChatGPT and you will ask, and I already asked, what camera was used to film the Friday the 13th in 1980s horror movie. Give me the lenses and film stock as well. So here you can see ChatGPT automatically gave me the basically vintage camera, vintage film stock, lenses. And now what you want to do is just go on Google Gemini. If you don't have the VO3 version, you can see my previous video on how you can get the VO3 in EU and worldwide. So here is the prompt that I just wrote. So Caucasian woman is walking through a jungle, scared and breathing heavy. She has a red dress and blonde hair. I mean, not blonde white hair, but blonde hair. Video is shot from multiple angles, which is important. I want multiple angles, not just one. Let's add video is zooming out slowly. Video was taken with basically Panavision Panaflex 35mm vintage camera, film stock Kodak. So the same camera and film stock, basically the style of how the image will look. And here I actually added the same lens that was used basically when the movie the Friday the 13th was shot, and I added film grain, cinematic bloom, and film damage. And let's see what the VO3 will make. It will take like 3 to 5 minutes, but this is how you want to write the prompts for VO3, or if you are using other video generation tools. The most important thing, in my opinion, is to basically specify the camera, the lens, the for example, the graininess, the noisiness for the footage, or for example, you can write 60s, 50s type of camera or 90s VHS. So that's, I think, is the most important part right now that 99% of people are not basically doing. They are just making cat running around in the forest, something like that, and not thinking about these specific camera styles and movements. That's why I also wrote shot from multiple angles, so the video is much more interesting and cinematic. So let's see what the VO3 will come up with. So the video is ready. Let's put on the headphones for the sound and let's play the video. So as you can see, the whole footage is taken with a vintage camera, which you can see the woman is with blonde hair, red dress, Caucasian, breathing heavy. So the video is shot from multiple angles, which didn't come true. Video is zooming out slowly. I think this is the true as well. So that's how you basically make your footage look more cinematic and much better, in my opinion. And yeah, in my opinion, looks really, really great. And soon, when we will be able to create minute long, 2 minute, 3 minute long videos, this will be insane. And yeah, that's how you can make your footage to look much better. Just go find some great movie that you like from 90s, 70s, maybe 60s, 80s, doesn't matter. Some Matrix, something like that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI prompts, and AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.